Timmy was a triangle with two equal sides. One day, he decided to go for a walk. There lived many creatures. Amongst them were Sammy the snake, Matt the monster, and Pete the penguin. Matt was a very fast monster who liked to run around and scare other creatures. Matt the monster decided to play a trick. Matt hid behind a bush and waited. Matt jumped out and shouted,
"I got you!"
Timmy had such a big fright that he fell backwards into a square hole behind him. Matt was so surprised with Timmy's reaction that he ran away laughing.
"Ouch! That hurt my head,"
said Timmy.
"What has happened to my head?"
Timmy had squashed his point when he fell into the square hole, and now he had become a square with 4 equal sides. Confused, Timmy the square continued his walk in the forest. Along the way, Timmy the square tried to pass between 2 very big, tall trees. He had forgotten that he was no longer a triangle, and since he was now a square, he got himself stuck. Pete pushed and pushed, and Timmy the square started to squeeze through. Suddenly, there was a loud sound as Timmy came out from the other side of the trees. Timmy the square had changed shape again. His body had been squashed. He was a cylinder. Timmy the cylinder continued his walk until he met his friend, Sammy the snake.
"Great shape, Timmy. I could climb around you all day." "I would much rather be a triangle than a cylinder,"
said Timmy. Sammy pulled Timmy down, making him fall. As Timmy fell, he started to roll.
"I'm beginning to think that this walk was not such a good idea after all."
When he finally stopped rolling, he noticed that he was much shorter than before. Timmy the cylinder had now become Timmy the sphere. Timmy the sphere was now getting very upset.
"This morning I was a triangle, then a square, then a cylinder, and a sphere. I wish I was a triangle once again. I liked being a triangle."
Sad and lonely, he started walking home. He did not notice he was on a log. Pete the penguin called to Timmy and asked,
"Why are you walking on the log?"
Startled, Timmy lost his balance and fell to the ground. When Timmy stood up, he was surprised to see that he was a triangle once again. Timmy, happy to be a triangle, decided to stay at home for the rest of the day.